Bonfire, campfire. September 6, 2025. Lake George. Beautiful night. Beautiful night. Look at it. I don't know if there's clouds up there. It's beautiful.
Oh boy, Nick, that's a good one.
Fireworks in the distance over there. I can't see what I can hear it from here. Nice, nice. Look at the flashes. Back to the bottom. Beautiful.
That's a good one. It is.
I don't know if you can hear it. You see the flashes out there. That's it. Back to the bonfire again. Campfire, whatever.
Where are the kids? Do you want
Beautiful.
the angel dust?
It's like the Yule log. Put a Yule log in the fire.
These got
Everybody have a great night now for Lake George.